Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a beautiful set of yellow nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with this Essie polish in the color Birthday Suit, which is just a really light pink, and I'm doing that on the index fingers. Those two nails will be ombre nails, which will be in the color pink, yellow, and a nude. So I always do a base for my ombre nails. Again, that is in the color Birthday Suit by Essie, and it is a regular. The next color that I'm going to be using is in the color Summer Sun by D&D. As you guys know, I get these from my local nail supply store, but there is a link to where you can buy them online, and I'll be sure to leave that link down in the description. But again, we're doing this on the middle finger and the thumb, and then we're going to leave the ring finger clear, and then we're going to come back and do a glitter on the pinky. And the small brush that I'm using to clean around the cuticle area is a small line brush. I think the other day I called it a French brush, but it's actually a small line brush by Alpha Brush in a number 6. As always, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. Alrighty, so for the pinky, we're going to go in with the color That's the Spirit by Madam Glam, and it is a gel polish. And this is actually from their Green Hearts collection. I did a review not too long ago, so I'll be sure to leave the link in the description to that collection as well as the promo code. And then for the ombre nail, as always, I'm going to be using the Makeup Wedge sponge. And what I do is I literally just apply the polish on the sponge. I'm going to be using the color French Vanilla at the top. I'm gonna do the pink one in the middle, and then the Summer Sun at the bottom. And then all we have to do is just dab that sponge on the nail. It's okay if you get it on the skin, because you could always take it off, or you can use the liquid latex, whatever works for you. As you can see, those colors look really good together. That yellow and that pink just look so good together, and then they kind of make an orangey color in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to this hand while the other one cures. So again, this is in the color That's the Spirit by Madam Glam. We're only doing like an ombre effect on this pinky. We're going to do the yellow on the other two fingers, and then one finger is going to be clear because we're going to be applying bling on that. Alrighty, so I'm just cleaning around the cuticle area, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the ombre. So same thing, applying the 3 colors and then just dabbing them on the nail. And then you can come back and do 2 coats or 3 coats depending on how much or how bright you want the colors. But for this one, we want them pretty bright. So as you can see, like even just with 1 coat, the coverage is pretty good. But I am going to come back and do another coat as well. And even with these, if you have to do like 2 or 3 coats, it's not going to make the polish super thick. It's still gonna dry really fast because a lot of the polish is getting soaked in by the sponge, so you don't have to worry about these taking forever to dry since they are regular nail polish. Alrighty, so I'm going to go through and do a second coat on this ombre nail as well. Again, it's already pretty bright, but we want it to be like a full coverage. We don't want the colors to be see-through, even though they don't look so see-through in this video, but in person you could still kind of see through the polish. And after we did that second coat, it looked perfect. So again, some colors might be a little bit different, especially like if they're lighter or if they're a little bit more liquidy. They are going to require a few more coats, but it's all going to depend on different colors, different brands. So make sure that you take that into consideration. Just go back and add more polish to your sponge. Just dab it on the nail and then just look at the nail and see if that's the coverage that you want. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and finish doing the second coat of the Summer Sun and then again curing for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now we're going to be applying some bling to the ring finger. I'm just doing a big stone in the middle. I applied the Mia Secret gel resin already, and then I picked up the pieces with my wax pencil. As you can see, I applied the big one in the middle, and then I'm just outlining the perimeter of that big stone with the smaller ones, which is the SS6 and SS12 AB crystals or rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. And then we're going to apply some more towards the top or like at the tip of the SS6, if that makes sense. You'll see me do it. But then again, after we do this, we're going to just spray the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, which is going to help that glue dry a lot faster since it is a gel resin. It's a little bit more on the thicker consistency, so it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. But with the activator, it helps it dry a lot faster. And again, we're just going to apply one at the top and then another one at the bottom and then spray them with the activator. And then we're going to go ahead and apply the IBD gel top coat. Let this hand cure for 60 seconds and then we're going to apply the bling on the other hand and applying the top coat as well. So same thing for this one. We're going to go ahead and apply the glue. We applied the big piece right in the middle. We're applying the bigger pieces at the top and bottom. And then we're going to outline the sides with the SS6. And then we're going to do a SS6 at the top and the bottom. And then we're going to spray the nail with the activator. And then after that, we're just going to apply the IBD gel top coat. And it's really nice and simple and really cute. And it's giving me like summer vibes. And I'm ready for it to finally get warm so I can get my bright colors on as well. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out flawless. That yellow is like the perfect shade of yellow, and that pink just goes so good with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I will see you guys next time.